back, and our buddy Kyle Backa sent us this one. It's called Meowtallica. Meow, that's what I call music. Let's do it.
Meow, that's what I call music.
Whoa.
Not available in any store. It's Meowtallica. 40 of their furriest hits on one CATTASTIC collection. Featuring greatest hits. Meow, 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 meow. Now that's what I call music. Meow, 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 meow. Call today. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meowtallica. Meow, 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 meow. Operators are standing by. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meowtallica. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. That's what I call meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Act now. CATTALLICA, greatest hits.
CATTALLICA.
4 records, 3 cassettes, 2
That's reaching,
compacts, or a
but I like it.
MP3s.
He's going my balls.
Meow, 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 meow. Meowtallica. Meow, 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 meow. Greatest hits. Meow, meow,
I
meow,
bow. I bow.
meow, 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 meow. Meow, that's what I call meow. Get it today. Meow, 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 meow. Not available in any store.
Duh, because it's too friggin' awesome to be available in stores.
Well,
That was Meowtallica. I'm gonna get on my phone now and purchase that album. How about you, fellow cat lovers? What did you think? What do you do?
It's not very often I get to just run my hands through my hair.
Oh, yes, ladies and gentlemen. Let us know what else you guys want us to react to in the comments down below. Don't forget, as usual, smash the like, smash the subby. Do it. Do it.
Smash it.
We out.